What's up, guys? Nestor here with SPO. Check it out. This is gonna be the beginning of the vlog for Chicago Truck Invasion 2025. This is how the vlog's gonna begin. So check it out. The Lambo, this is the last time you're gonna see the Lambo like this. After today, it's gonna have a completely different look. So stay tuned. Chicago Truck Invasion is this Saturday. Today's Monday. These two are ready to go. That's ready to go. All they need is washes, a couple details, but this is getting dropped off, and the TRX and the van. So let's head to the shop. Let's get the week started. All right, guys, check it out. So it's Monday morning. I have crazy plans for this week. Trying to fly to Mexico and be back by quick enough. Go and come back quick enough. The van's getting dropped off this morning. The car and the Lambo are also getting dropped off this morning. TRX and the Lambo, I'm sorry. The Benz, TRX, Benz, and Lambo. So this is the first time we ever wrap three things at once. So we're gonna do three at once. So it's gonna be that, and that. So pretty crazy. I've never wrapped three vehicles at once. I said, hey, we gotta show out. Check it out, guys. So we just got to Bryce's. We're gonna drop off the Benz. Fire. Check it out, guys. This is gonna be part one of this vlog. This vlog is gonna be crazy. We are dropping off 3 for 1. Stay tuned. You're gonna see what's up with this. The van's gonna get a crazy new look. So, hey, this is gonna be part 1 and part 2 of Chicago Truck Invasion. This is how we prep for it. Let's go in here and see what's up. How's it going? Oh, not much. How about you? What's happening, brother? Good, you?
Not too bad. I was just talking to Jake, so we still got like some approvals and processes with that van.
Okay.
That we gotta like figure out. So that's like, he just said, he's like, oh yeah, he's dropping on this morning. He's like, well, we still need answers on some of this.
What?
Is the van here?
Yeah, it's outside. Yeah, we brought it here.
Please. There you go.
You have like a lot of shadow on your face going downward.
I don't want to.
Tilt like a little forward.
Me?
Just you. Just like a little.
Oh, me. Or you want me to flip the head around?
Maybe flip the head around.
Flip the head around, right? I'm gonna just shave my head. All right. What do you think? Yeah, head backwards?
Yeah, you're gonna have to. Either hat backwards or no hat.
I look like my dad. Holy shit. All right. I look like my dad. Holy shit, I just saw my dad in that picture.
Make sure you're making the face you want to make.
I don't know which face to make, bro. Okay.
Smiles, do like a serious
I'm just
various ones.
like.
Give me like a smile though. You look too like. You look like you gotta take a shit.
You look like you're on fucking acid. You keep opening your eyes.
Bro, all right, let me relax. All right.
Yeah, just relax, smile.
Spray can a little.
See, that one's good. So check it out. See, he is. Well, by the time this video drops, I think you guys will have an idea.
Bro,
of what
hey,
we're doing.
don't make me overthink it. If you think one looks good, I like that.
Alright.
Yeah, the one you think looks cool, I like it, bro. Fire.
All right, let me get a preview. Let me see.
This one.
All right.
Okay. Where's the other one? Hard it though, so you don't lose it.
It's the last
Oh,
two.
okay. Yeah, there you go.
Those last two. Yeah, so these two.
See, if we were more organized, all this would have been done. The van would have just been dropped off, and we would have already been doing what we had to do today. But since we're last minute people and we're unorganized and we're a 3-man team, 4-man team, it's tough. Right? It's tough?
Make it happen.
I know, yeah. These guys are beasts. The last thing we wrapped ever was the Shorty Cummins, and we haven't wrapped nothing since. But stay tuned. This will be sick. I'm excited.
We woke him up out of bed.
Oh, hey, can you send them some logos today?
Yeah.
And then the QR,
Logos of what? Of ours?
like some
Okay.
the QR code.
Drinking on.
Whatever stuff in the back that I have on the sides.
Yeah. And then yeah, I trust you.
Nicotine.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. I'll see you guys later then. Thanks, Bryce. Where did he go? He left?
For some reason, I thought we were taking the van. It was,
Well, we want to start cleaning this thing up, and we'll have
Bye.
it for you by the weekend.
All right, bye. All right, guys, check it out. Just like that, we dropped off 1. Let's go drop off 2 and 3. I'm excited, actually. I'm very excited for this show. We did what was it, 2-3 weekends ago, the other show?
3
so
weekends.
we had Juice's show a couple weekends ago. That was very, very fun. That's actually what motivated me. I hadn't done any shows in a minute, but going to Juice's show, it like motivated me to want to do shows again, you know? So I'm really looking forward for Chicago, what was it? For Chicago Truck Invasion this weekend. I'm really looking forward to that. Juice put on a good show, you know? He made me want to do more shows. So now you're gonna start seeing us at more shows. We're gonna buy a drift truck here soon, or a burnout truck, or a race truck, something. But we're gonna start switching it up, right, Chris? You guys are gonna want to join the vlog, because the vlogs are about to get lit. I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise. This thing's slower than I think. Does that make sense? She'll expire, right?
Yeah.
Too bad he got into an accident.
Fuck, really?
Yeah,
Is that what happened here? Damn.
He notched a bunch of shit.
This is shorter than my trailer, right?
This is shorter.
It's 4 bolts. I can help you take that wing off.
I'm good.
Oh, he's gonna start gutting this shit.
I told him that dude, these things are easy. It's just mirrors and a wing, dude, to take off. Fucking door handles.
You know how to do the
take
mirrors?
off.
Yeah. With the glass?
Yeah.
They're okay.
Fucking the worst one I had was what was it? There's a McLaren wing because it folds down, and we had to get that off. And like they only gave you like this much. Fucking undo it, dude.
I don't know. This is gonna be really wild, honestly. If this gets pulled off,
And then this.
it'll look. Yeah, it's because it's hard. I don't know what we could do with all this.
If it's cleared properly, if it's not cleared, that's when we have a problem.
No, it's cleared properly.
It looks like it is.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it was Pro. The Cummins.
In pro or gloss?
The satin would be fucking fire because the satin on that Cummins was nasty for
Right?
sure.
And
Yeah.
it's because if we do them both in gloss, it'll just look more like
regular paint.
regular paint, right?
Yeah.
If we wrap it in satin, then it'll look more.
I'm gonna try something.
All right, guys. Look, he's test wrapping right now.
I'm just gonna see if this will.
Do I have your email? I don't know if I have your
Smooth
email.
performance off-road. Check it out, guys. This is all the behind the scenes that y'all don't see. We dropped off the TRX, we dropped off the van, and we're gonna drop off the Lambo in a bit. I think we'll still be able to manage everything, right?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna take the dually back to the shop and strip the parts that need to be redone. The Denali's ready for the show, and the Any Level is ready for the show.
Cero empezamos pa llegar hasta acá. De los 11 años me puse a chambear. A todo la hacemos y la fui a pegar. Espio lo logró y millones vi llegar. Con 28 años la fui a coronar. Tengo lo soñado y lo que está por llegar. Las Denali's y las Dualies fue 450. El motor nomás se oye bramar. De los 80 y 90 tenemos las South camionetas de alta calidad. Si me pongo en modo presa Lambo, nomás
Can't
para
just pull out of the parking lot where they tell you to. You do it where you want to.
Oh my God, is that a platinum?
Plus, it's not a limited.
Joining me? Oh, thank you.
It's not a limited because they don't make them yet, but they said they'd make me one next year. Alright, check it out, guys. Our boy Freddie pulled up. We hit him up last night. He's like, I got this golf cart, right? Well, oh, damn. Yeah, that's the one I had. Yeah. It's nice that you can fit your car in there. Perfect. Well, check it out, guys. We're like, hey, we need a golf cart for this weekend. So we bought one, but we just found out that what happened, Chris?
They don't allow golf carts.
They don't allow golf carts. Little do they know that this is gonna be a show cart. I didn't even realize it already had wheels. Bring it up.
So it's on already?
Oh, it's on?
Yeah, that's off, that's on. These
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, it's got a horn.
it's got the LED lights on.
Man, this is... Shit, so it just starts going.
Yeah, it starts going.
This is exactly what I needed. Hell yeah. Yeah, we should put a few out here for sale. I'm gonna pull it here for sale, shit. After we lift it.
You should, bro. I'm telling you.
This is all like mini stuff, huh?
It is, yeah, like.
Hell yeah.
Where are my golf clubs at? Where are my golf clubs at? Yeah, there's not too many of them.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Yeah, I paid him.
I'm looking for the hitch. I got distracted.
The hitch. Oh yeah, shit, smart, bet. What you think, Chris? We're gonna go to lunch in this, huh? All right, so to the meadow. Oh, I didn't see the rest of the tail. You think it'll do a burnout? Check it out, the lift kit will be here for this tomorrow. Stay tuned to see. No, not today, tomorrow. Fire. Alright guys, check it out. Same day, we just got to the airport. We're taking a quick trip, right? This is gonna be a quick mission. I'm gonna show you guys what we're about and where we're about in Mexico. So I'm gonna give you, I need to get my brain freshened for a day or two. So going on a quick trip, I'm gonna show you guys what it's about. So we found somebody here. Alright guys, check it out. So Justin and I were very crazy. We're here for one day only. But you gotta do crazy stuff, random crazy stuff like this. A break.
You only live once.
We're getting our break, but we landed in Mexico. Just like that, you change your atmosphere in hours. So we got a 2-hour drive home. We're gonna show you how to get home and the passage. Alright guys, so check it out, we've arrived. Alright, we are here, and this is my little Mexican cousin. And this is Justin. But check it out guys, we've got the SPO 4-wheelers here. We're gonna head over to where we are building our house. They walk their cows on the street, so This is just the street, and these are the cows being walked. That's it. That's it. All right, guys. So I had made a pretty sick path here a couple weeks ago, and my path is now gone.
I love it.
So hold on tight, guys. It's still recording.
Mucho, fuera, es que somos muchos.
Holy shit, we got lucky.
Press the brake.
Yo te dije,
Really messed up my back right there, guys. I hit my back. Fuck, we broke it too. Particulars, guys. Check it out. The only damage right now was this. Nothing too crazy. Alright, let's go. We just pulled up to my house. Yeah, we're building this house. Base, what happened, bro?
I don't know.
Something with the 4-wheeler, huh?
Yeah.
Oh wow. The walls are all finished.
Y vamos a hacer el piso.
Shit. The bathroom, everything's all but the walls are in Jaradas.
Drywall's up.
The drywall's up on the roof. We're gonna do the lights, but the enjarada is already done. This is gonna be bedroom right here. We're gonna actually add on to the back of the house, but this will be the bathroom. This will be the main bedroom. It's tiny. So main bedroom's tiny. There's another room. This is the problem. So just quick reference, guys. I'm 6 foot, right? Barely made it. So this, immediately we gotta expand this, do something different here, because this, how are you gonna do one round door and 4 square doors? Short, man, short. But
Llamero.
deal with us?
Sí, no.
Okay, guys. Well, stay tuned. This was our quick trip to Mexico. One day trip. We just had to come. Justin had to do some business. I had to do some business. But what should we do, Justin? Come on, We got the 4-wheelers down here. My back's killing me because yesterday I kind of flipped one over a little bit. Being out here, everything's just like more peaceful, you know. There's not really crazy stress. People hang up their clothes. The food's healthy. Honestly, this is where I'm retiring. It's a good place. Showed you guys my home. So growing up, so that our parents didn't have to buy babysitters, they would send us here every summer, which was great because made us grow up in like 2 different worlds, you know, like living here, being here for the whole summer, a few months, and then going back home. It was like 2 different worlds. It's a different world out here, honestly. Like the mountains, everything is completely different living here than living in the U.S. All right, guys, check it out. We just arrived to the couple towns over. This is my mom's sister.
¿Dónde anda? ¿Qué anda haciendo ahora? ¿Está tapando goteras?
What the fuck? Why is there always dogs that I'm gonna step on in my videos? I was gonna step on.
Ahorita que no yo.
You got cravies. All right, so check it out, guys. We stopped here at this right here is a welder. They're welding in there right now. My grandpa and my uncle are working on a truck. It's a Ford single cab long bed 4-wheel drive, old school, I think. So they got 2 drive shafts. They got to get shortened. One's got to get extended. So they're doing truck stuff out here too. We're doing truck stuff out here. All right, let's roll. Mira, velo, 3 órdenes de 7. I'm full too. How fire are these tacos? How fire are these tacos though? ¿Listo? Man.
Hey, brother, ¿me la agarras?
Sí, brother.
Gracias. Deja veo que no haya perdido el ticket. No, no, aquí está. Y agárrame la troca.
Alright guys, check it out. We are ruleteando through the streets of Valparaiso right now.
Este rollo no es erróneo.
First big thing to open in our town. Well, an hour away. But crazy.
What are we gonna make next?
Guan, yeah. Alright guys, check it out. Justin pulled over and picked up this guy from the street. What happened, bro?
I don't know, bro.
You almost ran him over?
No, hell no, don't say that.
No, I'm kidding. Well, because you saw him fall in slow motion. I was sleeping. All I heard was, whoa, whoa. And all I saw was a guy starting to roll down the hill.
You think he's drunk or he's old?
He's drunk.
He's drunk, right?
Yeah. Oh. Man, this is like the 5th truck. I keep forgetting to vlog them. Everybody out here repping the flag. Okay, this lady's on her way to get a sticker too. Here.
Oh, se está cagando.
Oh, se anda cagando, doña. The solider. Basically like the solider and then the pineapple. That's where we live, under the pineapple.
I had to save someone's life today, right? Because he could have gotten ran over.
Yeah, you saved his life, bro. That's why I wanted you to do it.
I don't have Instagram, bro. Just give him my number.
Alright, his number is 224-770-7681. Anything you guys need, from CPRs to being picked up on the street to wheels and tires.
Lift kids, golf carts, lifted golf carts.
Everything. Oh. Alright guys, check it out. So our house dogs be following me everywhere. They just follow us around. Check it out, guys. Farmer Nestor right here. We're gonna go. Why am I out of breath if I was riding the 4-wheeler and not walking?
¿Tenemos que ir para allá?
Alright guys, so check it out. Today is Thursday and this is the end of the Mexico vlog. We're about to head home. Quick in and out trip. Boom, and just like that guys, check it out. We spawned back at the shop. Super quick, super easy. I got back, the guys did the lift kit, tints, lights. This thing's ready to go.